Hello friend, this is a Puja tutorial and today Puja tutorial is going to start 11th class NCERT books. Chapter number first, name is set. In previous my classes I have already given you a concept about sets and what is the kind of sets and how we represent, what is the way of representing of the set, and also I have given you a concept about a operation between two sets such as a union, intersection and difference. Now in this chapter we will also do or discuss about the operation name is a complement on the set. Okay, then let's start. What is this? This is written here, complement of the set. Actually, what is a complement of the set? You have already knows about the universal set. This is a kinds of the set. Actually, what is a universal set? Universal set is a set of those type of subset that is belongs to that context. Okay. Then like as let's us take an example of the days. Then days means how many days in a week? And you know that 7 days in the week. When the set of the subset of 7 days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, these are the subset of the days in a week. Then the set of all the subset that belongs to a set is called a universal set. Okay, then what is actually how we find out the complement of the set? Then what we do, if you have to find out, this is a symbol to express the complement. Okay, what is this? This is a complement. Okay, then what is the complement of A? Complement of A would be U minus A. Actually, what is U? U is a universal set and A is a set of set. Then when we difference, we take a difference means we take out elements from A we take out the element means difference, we get a difference between universal set and A, we get the A complements. Let's take one example, like as A is equal to 1, okay, and U is equal to 1 and 2. Then A complement will be, if we take out A, what is the element of A? The element of A is 1. Then we take out the A from U, what we get? 2. Then the complement of A would be 2. Then this is the set of the complement. And this is a unique operations that you can even say in a set. Okay, and now we are going to discuss with you a different type of operation that we use as a property by using of a complement. Okay, then you can see here that what is this? A complement. If we take A is one and non-empty sets and take a union of A and A complement, what we get? U. Okay, and next one, if what is A? A is a non-empty set, and when we take an intersection of A and A complement, what we get? 5. Third one is De Morgan's law. It is very important law and play an important role in mathematics. What is a De Morgan's law? De Morgan's law says that if A and B are two empty sets and we take A union B complement, what we get? We get A complement intersection B complement. And second one, De Morgan's law says that if A and B are two non-empty sets, and when we take a intersection of A and B and take a complement of intersection of two sets, what we get? We get A complement union B complement. And last one name law is called for a empty set. What is the phi complement? Then if you have U, and when you subtract a phi, what we got? We got a phi. And U complement is equal to phi. Then these are the different type of law that is used in when you are using a complement of the set. And now let's do a practice. Okay. Then this is exercise number 1.5, and this exercise we use a complement. You know very well that U is a one set given, A and B are two set given. Then you know that what is a complement. What we take? U is equal to what? And A. And what A complement will be? U minus A. Okay. Next one. B complement. What will be a B complement? We take a B. This is a B and this is a U. So what we find out? You have a U and you have a B. Okay. Then what you will do for find out of B complement? U minus B. Then this is a complement of B. Now next one question that is given here, that A union B. First we find out A union B, and what we get after that? We take a complement of A union C. A union C and do a practice. It is like as that. Okay, next one is U is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, to find out the complement of following set. Then you can see here, U is equal to, you have a U. Okay, let's make it. U is equal to what? U is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, Z, H. Okay, these are the U. And what is A? A is equal to A, B, C. Then A complement will be, we take out A, B, C from U, but we rest of that element that is in U, D, F, Z. Then D, E, F, Z. These are the complement of A. Okay. Then these are the method. This method you can find out a complement of any set. Okay. My next one questions now you repeat this technique again and find out B complement, C complement and D complement. And now let us take another examples of the question number 3, that taking the set of natural number as a universal set. Means what is a U? U is equal to naturals. Okay. Then write down the complement of following set. Then complement. Let us suppose this is A. Then A complement will be what? A complement. Collection of all those S such that S is an even naturals. Then what the U minus A is equal to A complement. So U is equal to naturals. And this is uneven naturals. Then what the naturals left out here? Odd. This naturals that is odd. naturals. Then this is a complement of A. You use this formula and find out a complement of any set. Okay. Now next one question is question number 4. Question number 4 what says that A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A is equal to this and B is equal to this. Then prove that or De Morgan's theorem. First what we will do? We will find out A union B and take a complement on that. And after that we prove that A complement intersection B complement. Like as here A union B is equal to what will happen? A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then A in union B complement is equal to U minus A union B. And A union B is equal to this one. Then what we get? 1 and what we get? We get 1. Now you take A complement is equal to, this is A union B complement is equal to 1. Okay. Now let's find out the A complement. Then A complement will be 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 1, 3, 7, 8, 9. 1, 3, 7, 8, 9. And B complement is equal to 1, 4, 6. Then what is the common between this and this? A complement intersection B complement is equal to 1. Then what we get? We get that A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Then this is a way you can find out the A, B, how to find out a complement. And you have already knows about the operation of the set, how we find out intersection and union. I have already discussed in my previous class. Now, next one questions that is so here. Draw appropriate Venn diagram. Let us take a first one example. A union B. Then A union B. This is A and this is A. Then what we have to find out? A union B complement means this one area, this one shaded area is called A union B complement. Why? Because A union B is this and we take out A union B from U. Then what we get? This. Then this shaded area is called A union B complement. Okay. Then you find out. This is very easy question and you could make this question by yourself and do a practice as whole. Okay. Next one question is A union A complement. Okay. Then A union A complement means what? A, this is A union means this one also, and A complement is what? This one. This one is called A complement. Okay. Then A union A complement will be U. Then this is U. Okay. Then you take out and you find out this answer by own and do a practice more. Okay. Now let's check our next exercise. In this exercise we will find out that type of problems we can comes across daily in our day-to-day life. How we find out this, we will study here. Then let us consider that A and B are two sets. Then number of A union B is equal to number of A, okay, plus number of B minus number of A intersection. Okay, then this is a formula that we can find out actually what is a number of A union B. Let us suppose, let's check an example. This is a formula. First you see you look this formula in very careful way. If A union intersection B is equal to 5 or a 0, then this is. Then if number of A intersection B is equal to 0, then the formula will be this. Okay. Now let's take our examples and do our practice by using this formula. Okay. Then you see here that question number this is exercise number 1.6, and we will study here how we find out problems that we come across day-to-day life daily. Then let us suppose x and y is two non-impedient, and a number of x, this number of element of x is equal to 17 and number of y is equal to 23. Then what will be the number of x union y? Then you know that I have already given you a concept that number of x union y will be number of x plus number of y minus number of x intersection y. Then number of x is given here 17, number of y is given here 23, and number of x union y means this one is 38. Then what will be number of x intersection y? Then it is very easy. Okay, then number of x intersection y will be 39 minus 38 is equal to 1. Then number of x intersection y will be x. Then this is a way you can find out problems by using this formula. Like this question number 2 is same as a question number 8. Third one is in a group 400 people, means what is a union? In a group 400 people. Okay, 250 speak Hindi, 200 speak English. Then how many people's votes? Then you know that the group means that peoples belongs to speaks the Hindi and English is 400. And number of people that speak Hindi is 250. And number of people they speak English is 200. Okay. Then how many peoples will speak both? Means what is the intersection between Hindi and English speaking people? And this is X. Then what we get? X is equal to 450 minus 400 is equal to, and X is equal to 50. Means the 50 people speak Hindi and English both. Then this type of question you can take out from your day-to-day lives and solve this. Now next one question that is given in question number 5. X and Y are two sets. X having 40 elements, X union Y having 60 elements, and X intersection Y having 10 elements. And what is a Y? And you know that you know about the formula. Okay. Now next one is. Then I think that this is question number 6. 6 is in a group 70 people. What is the group? 70 people groups. 37 likes coffee, 52 likes tea, and each likes at least 2 drinks. How many people like both of it? So first what we do? We will find out how many 17 in both. Okay. 37 like coffee. Okay. And 52 like tea. And both like I don't know. Then means 19 people like coffee and tea. What I have to find out? I have to find out here that how many people like both coffee and tea. Then 19 people like both coffee and related to this chapter. This is all about the chapter name is set, and I think that you have understood this chapter in very well manners, and I will meet with you in next class with new concept, with new chapter. Okay, now I am going to wrap up my session here. Thanks.